Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how we are preparing for our first long-term guest. We've been in this house for about 4 months at this point, and we've had in-town guests to stay over and out-of-town guests to stay over, but no one's ever stayed past like 2 or 3 days. So today I'm going to share with you guys how I'm preparing for our first long-term guest, aka my nieces. So we're not going to talk about the bedding in here, the bed frame, the headboard, anything like that, because that has already been in here for a pretty good while. We're pretty much just going to be talking about what we have done since then to prepare. So the first thing that we did is we got rid of the single nightstand that was in here, and we brought in the other two, or the two that we purchased off of Facebook Marketplace specifically for this room. 2 of my nieces are coming, so it only makes sense that they both each have a nightstand of their own. The side tables I actually purchased off of Facebook Marketplace months ago. The next thing that we did is we brought in a pair of nightstands. They were purchased from Ross. Obviously you have to put lamps on your nightstand, so we brought in some lamps. The next thing that I did is I actually purchased and brought in some snack baskets. Now they're gonna be here for like 2 weeks, maybe longer. So we just went out when we were at the grocery store and bought some little different snacks and whatnot. And I put some of their favorite snacks in the baskets. The baskets are actually some kind of like utensil holders from Walmart. And the reason why I bought those is because it actually allows for separation. I did like a test run using the basket that I have in my husband's man cave, which is like an open concept. And I didn't really like everything being all like jumbled up together, so I do like having the dividers. Next up, I purchased a laundry basket to put in here. I realized that we didn't really have one, so I purchased one in here. I got it from At Home Stores. And then the trash can actually, or the trash basket, is actually from Dollar Tree. Obviously one day I'll upgrade, but not anytime soon. So that is where I got the laundry basket and the trash basket. I already had hangers in here, but really not enough for 2 different people. I don't know if they're both gonna be sleeping in here every night. They might wanna spread out, but I only had like 5 or 6 racks or hangers in there. So I went ahead and went to our room and got some more hangers so that they could have ample hangers to hang their clothes. And the hangers are actually from Amazon, and I got those months ago for our actual closet, but I've spread them out throughout the house. So the chest was already in there, but obviously it's really going to come in handy if they're going to be staying here for a couple of weeks or however long. So I definitely wanted to make sure I cleared out the chest so that they can, you know, divide up the drawers and put their clothes and other things in the chest. In this room, we actually have a TV mounted, which has been mounted for a while, but I wanted to go ahead and download the apps that they would probably be using or watching while they were here, with of course the #1 being Netflix, because they do like watching Netflix. Moving out of the bedroom and into their bathroom, obviously I cleaned it up and I disinfected it, and I was sure to make sure that it was, you know, clean in there and not all jumbled up and junked up. I do sometimes store some of my things in there, but not really that much. So it was pretty easy for me to gather my belongings and take them elsewhere. I did go ahead and place some clean towels in there and some clean washcloths, so they'll have that ready for them whenever they get here. I also wanted to make sure they had some extra paper towels and some extra toilet paper, as well as a toothbrush in case they forgot theirs, and toothpaste. Obviously, there are other toiletries in the home. They're coming with toiletries. They're gonna be good to go, but I just wanted to have just a few items in the room. So that is it for this video. That is how we are preparing for our first long-term guest. Which, you know, I kind of forgot to show y'all what the guest room was looking like when we had our first ever guest. Totally slipped my mind. But anyway, that's it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.